This majestic country is both buzzing with excitement and serene, calm, and tranquil, which is uncomparable to anything else in the world. With a million good reasons to travel here that include world-renowned landscapes, a plethora of spots to visit, intense and deep cultural heritage, and cuisine galore, there's a ton of things to see and do in this country it would take a lifetime to discover. So we're here to give you guys a glimpse of one of the most unique travel destinations in the world. Buckle in your seatbelts, gather your travel buddies, and get ready to go on an adventure with the 7 best things to do in Thailand, specifically Bangkok. 7. Go on a shopping spree. Head on over to any of the malls or bazaars they have and just shop till you drop. You'll be able to find many products from clothes to souvenirs, and you can even haggle with the shopkeep to lower the price. Some malls even have over 5 floors worth of shops and restaurants. Talk about a spending spree. 6. Take over the night in the sky bars. Bangkok offers many sky bars in the city, all of which offer a majestic view of the skyline whether it's night or day. You'll never regret going to any of these sky bars because there's always that amazing panoramic view of the city, coupled with amazing food and drinks. 5. Visit the serene Lumpini Park. Once you're full of the hustle and bustle in the city, take a short trip to the Lumpini Park. It's just in the middle of the city. Take a break, relax, and enjoy the serene sights of the park, where you can even rent out boats to go to the water in the area. Enjoy the tranquil waters and have a relaxing time right in the middle of the city. 4. Visit the sparkling Grand Palace. With an ode to the culture and heritage that Bangkok has to offer, the Grand Palace is absolutely grand. With dazzling ornate walls, columns, and frescoes, there's absolutely so many things to see and nothing short of amazing. Just a small disclosure, you will have to wear clothes based on what they think is appropriate. So basically, cover up with shirts, pants, and shoes, you'll be fine. 3. Experience an authentic Thai massage. Having a form of massage named after your culture is for sure a big deal for everyone and anyone. Get to experience the amazing Thai massages that's for sure unique and one of a kind. From getting your feet cleaned and scrubbed, to relaxing on a massage bed and just unwinding yourself in the most relaxing way possible. Two, hit the Khao San Road. During the day, Khao San Road is bustling with markets and shops alike, but during the night, the Khao San Road lights up and transforms into this amazing road nightclub with buzzing stalls offering beer, music, amazing food, and just an overall good time. One, go on a street food feast. With absolutely no signs of slowing down, the street food market in Bangkok is one of the biggest markets in the world, having a variety of street food from appetizers to the desserts. You will never run out of things to try. Just have a keen eye on the food you're ordering just to keep your food inside and not out on the streets. Now you're set. Definitely a sight to behold and experiences to engrave in your memory book. These are just 7 of the must-do activities in the exotic land of the majestic Thailand. We hope this insight into Thailand has been helpful and helped you plan out your next vacation destination. Then go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more travel tips, guides, and more. With that, until next time.